I'm going to show you how to make an equivalent fraction. This is actually a pretty easy process. We'll start with this first one, 2/3, right there. Actually, let's do 1/2. 1/2 is very easy to see. We'll start with 1/2. So on a paper, I'm going to do two things. First, show you the numbers of 1/2, and then show you what 1/2 looks like as a picture. So there's the numbers 1/2, and there's a picture of 1/2. Now, to make an equivalent fraction with numbers, we just take the numerator and denominator and multiply them both by the same number. Any number I want. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm just going to choose 5 because I like 5. 2 times 5, 1 times 5. I took both my numerator and denominator and multiplied by the same exact number, which gives me 5/10. So 5/10 is equivalent to 1/2. I know that's true because 1 is half of 2, 5 is half of 10. Now, if I took 1/2 again and multiply by any number I want, this time I'm going to choose just 2, I get 2/4. And I know it's also 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4 because 1 is half of 2, 2 is half of 4, definitely correct. Now in a picture, here's what's happening. There's 1/2, and there's 1/2 again. I'm going to try to be a little light this time so I can see it. You got 1/2, both the same. If I took this piece right here, and I took each of these pieces, the one that is still, shaded in, the one that's not shaded in, cut them each into 2 pieces. So this one piece became 2. This one piece became 2. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces all together with 2 shaded in. So I took that 1/2, made it into 2/4. I didn't make more. There's the same amount here that is here. I just made smaller pieces, but more pieces. To make an equivalent fraction, you just take the numerator and denominator and multiply them by the same number. Now, you have some problems that look like this. 1/4 equals something 12ths. The same thing goes. Now we have a secret. We have a clue. We went from 4 to 12. So what multiple did we take to get from 4 to 12? Well, we had to multiply by 3. So to find an equivalent fraction, we have to multiply our numerator by the same multiple, which is 3. So to find out this question mark, it would just be 1 times 3. So that question mark equals 3. So 1/4 is equal to 3/12. I could do some other ones. Here's 3/5 is equal to, let's say, 9 question mark. So we have a clue. We went from 3 to 9. To get there, we'll spend a multiple of 3. So in our denominator, we're going to multiply by 3 as well. So this question mark actually equals 15. So 3/5 is equivalent to 9/15. We could even do one like this, 6/8. And we want that to equal something. 6/8. I could use a multiplier. Oops, sorry, let's do this. We have 24. And then a question mark. How do I get from 6 to 24? Well, to do that, I must have times by 4. My denominator, I got times by 4. So 8 times 4 gives us 32. So 6/8 equals 24 32s. Now if I did 6/8 one more time, I could also find an equivalent fraction as well. Let's say if we had this happened. We had a question mark down there, but right here you had a 3. Well, I can't do anything 6 times anything to give us 3. We can also divide by the same number. So you can divide or multiply by the same number as long as it works. So if I divided 6 by 2, which gives us 3, I can do 8 divided by 2 as well, which gives us this question mark as 4. 6/8 is equivalent to 3/4. To make an equivalent fraction, most of the time you're just looking to multiply, like we did on all these. Sometimes it can be a division as well. I hope this helps for dividing or multiplying to make an equivalent fraction.